Welcome back to the ArborScope demonstration channel. This is a quick tutorial video on how to turn on clustering for map markers. When you have a large tree inventory, sometimes you may notice the performance of the map load speed slow down a little bit, especially if you're not on the fastest Wi-Fi. One way to help with that problem is to use the map clustering. So as you can see, when we click in on this map, it takes a second. It's not the most smoothest, but this is about 1,000 trees. Typically, you tend to notice a little bit of lag time when you get up into the 1,500, 2,000, 2,500 and plus tree counts. So all we have to do is go up to our inventory tab, scroll down to personal map configuration, come over to our zoom levels, come down to cluster markers. Right now it's on do not cluster. Typically, we have these set about 16 zoom level. Click Apply Selection. Come up here to Map View. We're going to reload the page. And now you're going to notice that all those dots are gone and you're going to have gray circles. But what we can do is when we click on the gray circle, it's going to load all of those points. If we have an enormous inventory, let's say 5,000 trees and above, this can be very handy when it comes to scanning around a huge area. I hope that was a little bit of help for people who are having a little bit of speed issues with the map loading. Again, that was a quick tutorial on how to turn on clustering map markers.